Need to connect broker account to MetaTrader 4? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can connect. Start by heading over to your application MetaTrader 4. Make sure you have already installed the application. Enter a login credential and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to Settings at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're inside the settings, move into New Account at the very top. Now tap on Open a demo account. Here in the source bar, you have to search for the broker account that you want to connect. Let me search for raw trading for now. Tons of different broker accounts will be visible to you. Head over to the one that you want to connect. Now you have to enter a login credential, as in your username and the password. Once done, tap on Sign In at the top right corner of the screen. Once done, you will be connected to your broker account. So that's the wrap for this video. If it helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.